All right, boys and girls, here we are on lesson 5 on our career portfolio. Hopefully you guys are having a lot of fun doing this. So lesson 5 is titled Fashion Police. So what we're going to do with this lesson is we're going to talk about what kind of dress do some of these careers have, because we know that a lot of different careers require different types of clothing, different types of uniforms, sometimes different items that we hold on our clothing. So we're going to talk about that. Okay, so right in here in your lesson 5 is going to be where this video is going to go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on our careers portfolio, and it starts, lesson 5 actually starts on slide 9, but that's just the title slide. And then lessons 10, 11, and 12 will be completed within this video. Okay, so if we go to slide 10, slide 10 looks a lot like our slide 2 that you should have completed. This is another student's slide 2, so that you can see how they've completed it. Okay, so if we go back, what slide 10 is dressing for success, so proper professional attire. So it's basically asking, under each category that we did in slide 2, we are talking about how those types of people, how those people in those careers actually dress. Okay, so if we go to keeps people safe, and we go here and we saw that people that keep us safe are police officers, firefighters, doctors, nurses, nursery greenhouse manager, I'm not sure about that one, x-ray technicians. So those type of people are what keep us safe. So people that keep us safe, so for instance, a police officer will wear a uniform. And when I click in this box and write in it, I can already tell that this font is going to be too small. So I'm going to make it a little bit, I'm sorry, it's too big. So I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to make it a size 11, and that's going to work for me. Okay, so they wear uniforms. And then I'm also going to go to format, and I'm going to go to bullets again. Remember how I did bullets and numbering in the last in one of the previous videos. So I'm just going to do a bulleted list, and I don't like the indent that it makes, so I'm going to move it back here. So hopefully that works there. And then, okay, so we know that they wear uniforms. In their uniform, so I'm going to click enter, and it'll make a bullet for me already. And then I'm going to tab it, but let me undo that one. So under uniforms, we know that police officers wear a gun. They wear like a baton. See if I know how to spell that word. Okay, police officers also have to wear a badge, right? They also have to wear a, what are those called? Those videos on them. I can't think of what those are called. We'll come back to it. So they wear a badge, and then a video recorder, or we'll say recorder. I know I'm not using the right word for that. I can't even think of the word that it is for that one. Okay, and then we're going to do, we're going to insert bullets again. Okay, and then I'm going to change the, and then so we know that people keep us safe are doctors. So we know that doctors wear what we call scrubs. Okay, and those are those pajama looking uniforms, right? And we know that doctors also wear a stethoscope. Hopefully if I spelled it wrong. Oh, look at that, I spelled it right. That went on the second line there, so let's try and go back. Right there, stethoscope. A lot of times doctors have to wear comfortable shoes because they walk around all day. Comfortable shoes. Okay, and then we said firefighters as well. Let's do bullets again and change that those margins on the bulleted. So we know that firefighters also wear uniforms. They also wear heat resistant uniforms. They might carry an axe. AXE. Okay. All right. So people that teach others. So we said in our slide 2, teachers, solar energy technician teaches others. Coaches teach others. So let's talk about, and once again, that is going to be, the font's going to be too small, so I'm going to change it to size 11. So people that teach others might dress professionally. So let's go ahead and enter our bullets and then change the margins on that. Oops, what happened there? I'm going to change the margins to go here. A little too far. Okay, and so we know teachers dress professional. So we wear, some teachers, if they're male, will wear a suit and tie. Okay, a female teacher might wear a dress or a skirt. Okay, a button-up shirt. Okay, they might wear high heels. We're just going to put professional. Professional dress just kind of means that it's more businesslike, to look good for people. You want to impress them. As we said in our video, like no holes, no ripped jeans, things like that. Okay, so let's go to the next one, build structures. So we know that in a carpenter or a mechanic, those are types of careers that build structures. So I'm going to automatically change the font to font 11, and then I'm going to put my bullets and numbering in it. Let's see, and then I'm going to change my margins on it if I can. Let's see. Okay, so I would say a lot of careers that build structures, like construction workers, wear a lot of heavy duty pants, strong pants that don't rip. Maybe some steel-toed boots, so if something falls on their feet, it won't hurt them, like tools, things like that. They might wear a utility belt that holds like their tools, things like that. Okay, if you think of any more, you can go ahead and put those. Let's see, careers, let's go to the next one, careers that create, perform, and entertain. They are going to be those who, let's see what we put in slide 2. a graphic designer, clothing designer, welding, chef, a digital animator, an airplane pilot, solar energy technician. We have all of our professional athletes. Okay, so this could be a whole number of things. Let's go to format, put in our bullets here, and then change our margins for this one. Not too far over. Okay, so we can put uniform for that one. Cleats, right? A lot of professional athletes wear cleats. Let's see, helmets, right? If a helmet, a professional football player would wear a helmet. How about those that perform? They wear costumes, right? Costumes. Let's see, what else? Shiny. They wear a lot of shiny. Shiny. Is that right? Is it shiny? All right. Somebody tell me if I'm incorrect. Shiny. Shiny. Shiny clothes, like when they perform. Okay. And then let's see. Let's go to the next one. A profession that designs structures. So people that design structures are architects, a hairstylist, an engineer worker, a computer game software designer. So basically just people that kind of go to an office job and design structures and things like that. So I would say they would wear, pants probably. Pants. Let's change our margins on this one. I apologize for these margins not being correct initially. Oops. So pants, I would say a button up or a collared. Oops, a collared shirt. I always tell the students in class that I'm the worst speller ever. Let's see, pants, button up, or collared shirt. Maybe we're going to say professional dress. Okay, and then let's go to the last one. A career that sells products. We said those were nutritionist, a real estate agent, a rancher, boutique worker, an advertiser, banker. Okay, and I think a lot of those kind of were the same thing as a person who maybe designs structures. Again, if you think of your own to put here, then go ahead and put it. I'm going to put kind of like the same pants. Change the margins again. Okay, do you see what I'm doing? I'm just pulling this blue little triangle to change the margins. Oops. Okay. Pants, a shirt with a collar, professional dress. Oops. Professional dress. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it. I want you guys to go ahead and add any more thoughts or ideas that you might have for any of these professional careers here. What you think they might wear, and just put down your ideas that you think. Okay. And I'm going to do slide. This is going to be it for slide 10. Okay,